As the sun dips below the Arabian horizon, something extraordinary begins to happen. Dubai transforms. The city that dazzles under the desert sun becomes an entirely different world once darkness falls. A world of light, luxury, and breathtaking beauty that has to be seen to be believed. From the glittering skyline to the shimmering waterways, Dubai at night is nothing short of a masterpiece painted in neon, gold, and glass. It is a city that refuses to rest, a place where the energy only grows stronger after midnight, and where every corner holds a new visual wonder waiting to be discovered. Standing anywhere along the Dubai waterfront after dark, the first thing that captures your attention is the skyline. The Burj Khalifa, the tallest structure on Earth at over 828 meters, becomes a beacon of light that pierces the night sky. Its LED light show, one of the most sophisticated in the world, cascades across its surface in waves of color, turning the tower into a living canvas. Surrounding it, hundreds of skyscrapers illuminate the horizon, their reflections dancing across the Dubai fountain and the calm waters of the Burj Lake. The entire scene feels almost surreal, like stepping into a futuristic dream that architects and visionaries spent decades carefully crafting. No night in Dubai is complete without witnessing the Dubai fountain in full performance. Stretching across 275 meters, it holds the title of the world's largest choreographed fountain system. When the music begins and the water jets shoot up to 150 meters into the air, the experience becomes deeply emotional. The fountains sway and surge in perfect rhythm, lit by over 6,000 lights and 22 colored projectors that paint the water in breathtaking hues. Crowds gather along the boardwalk every evening, phones raised, eyes wide, completely captivated by a spectacle that manages to feel both grand and intimate at the same time. While the modern skyline steals much of the attention, the older parts of Dubai carry their own quiet magic after sunset. The Al Fahidi historical neighborhood glows softly under warm amber lights, its wind towers casting long shadows across narrow lanes that whisper stories of centuries past. Crossing the Dubai Creek on a traditional abra, the wooden boat gently cutting through the dark water, you see the gold and spice souks still buzzing with life. Lanterns flicker above market stalls, the air carries the scent of oud and saffron, and the sounds of bargaining and laughter fill the warm night air. This is a side of Dubai that feels timeless, a reminder that beneath all the modernity, a rich cultural soul still beats strongly. Moving toward the coast, the Palm Jumeirah stretches into the Arabian Gulf like a crown of light, visible even from space. The Atlantis. The Palm Resort anchors the tip of the island, its iconic silhouette glowing in shades of blue and gold against the dark sky. Nearby, Dubai Marina comes alive in a completely different way. Yachts line the waterway, their lights reflecting off the calm surface below, while rooftop restaurants and waterfront cafes buzz with conversation and clinking glasses. Walking the marina promenade at night, surrounded by towers of glass and the gentle sound of water, feels like being inside a postcard that no filter could ever improve. What makes Dubai's night view truly unforgettable is not just the scale or the spectacle, but the feeling it creates. There is a sense of ambition in every lit window, every illuminated tower, every fountain that rises defiantly into the desert night. This city was built on a vision, a belief that the impossible could be made real through determination and imagination. And when you stand beneath that glowing skyline, watching the lights shimmer across the water as the warm Gulf breeze moves through the air, you understand exactly what that vision looks like when it is fully realized. Dubai at night does not just impress, it inspires.